Ply has now added the ability to mass edit and save your mins and maxes within a stock location, allowing for easier updates across all of your items in those stock locations. Let's take a look at that. Click on Stock Locations, choose any stock location. And there's now a new column on the far right that indicates your mins and your maxes here. It also will show you the corresponding alert based off of those. To enable edit mode, you just simply click on here. You can put in your min and your max and hit save. Additionally, you can update the quantity by clicking inline as well and making adjustments and clicking save. You're able to see the corresponding supplier that allows you easy access to know what supplier usually carries this alongside the UPC code that you can copy in case that you need it as well. Let us know if you have any questions around updating your mins and maxes quantity or the supplier UPC code at this stock level.